Cakes by Anas. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make mango center filled chocolates with only 3 ingredients. So let's get started. So for this recipe, you require 2 tablespoons of condensed milk, 1/8 teaspoon of mango emulsion, and 1 cup of white compound chocolate chopped into fine pieces. And some chocolate molds which are available in various shapes and sizes in the market. And like always, the link for the written recipe is given in the description box below. You can go and check that out. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do give this recipe a try and comment down below how it turned out to be. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next video.